precise dosing of volumes, preparation of standard solutions, controlling of synthesis, manual titrations. These are routine processes, wasting much of your staff's precious time every day. Increase productivity in your laboratory now with the new Eco Dosimat from Metrome. This universal tool makes liquid handling and manual titrations faster, easier, and much more precise. Conveniently prepare standard solutions. Simply enter the required target concentration and the weight of the sample. The Eco Dosimat will calculate and add the required solvent volume automatically. Reliably dose any volume in the microliter range. Simply define the required volume, press start, and the Dosimat will dose exactly the volume you need. However, you can also define the dosing rate, which makes the Eco Dosimat the perfect tool to control chemical reactions. Perform manual titrations with superior precision. It's so simple, because to control the dosing rate, just keep pushing the button of the manual controller. After the titration, the glass cylinder is automatically refilled, and you can read the exact dosing volume right from the instrument's display. But that's not all. With the Eco Dosimat, you can print out GMP-compliant results, and your most important titration methods and calculations are saved for reuse whenever you need. The new Eco Dosimat. Don't waste your precious time any longer. Call your Metrome sales rep now.